Did you know that humidity can ruin your wax results? High moisture levels keep pores open longer. This leads to increased irritation and ingrown hairs. Today, I'll reveal science-backed tips for flawless skin this spring. Welcome to MTH Health, your trusted guide to post-wax skincare. These tips are simple, practical, and safe for spring humidity. Stay with me, because our first biohack is one you can do immediately. March humidity causes hair follicles to expand. This leaves pores vulnerable just after waxing. Sweat cycles prevent pores from closing naturally. This increases the risk of irritation and skin problems. Trapped moisture can breed bacteria, especially in the first 48 hours. Ignoring seasonal care can quickly lead to bumps and ingrown hairs. Next, let's lock those pores with 3 instant biohacks. Follow along, and your skin will remain smooth and irritation-free all spring. Biohack 1. Use a cold compress right after waxing. Cold therapy forces vasoconstriction. This helps lock your pores and reduce swelling. Biohack 2. Spritz pH-balanced floral hydrosols on your skin. This balances your skin without clogging pores. Biohack 3. Use a small ionic fan or portable cooler. This helps prevent trapped moisture from causing irritation. Switch to moisture-wicking bamboo fabrics on humid days. They allow your skin to breathe while blocking sweat. Replace those heavy winter creams with lightweight probiotic mists. Apply these during peak humidity hours to protect from pollutants. These simple adjustments keep your pores healthy all season long. Adjust your electrolyte intake to stabilize skin cells. Consider using seasonal supplements like quercetin. They can help reduce histamine reactions, which can cause irritation. Track your sweat salinity to see how your body adjusts. Keeping a small hydration chart can help to prevent irritation before it begins. Internal care is crucial for maintaining smooth skin as well. Combine these tips for maximum post-wax comfort and pore health. Exfoliate bi-weekly to match spring cell turnover rate. Monitor your skin elasticity for smoother waxing cycles. Use a seasonal skincare calendar to maintain healthy pores. Consistency is key for smooth skin during the season. These small habits make waxing much easier. Over time, your skin adapts, staying soft and radiant. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, hit like. Subscribe for more science-backed skincare advice. Share in the comments which tip you're trying this spring. Smooth, healthy skin is just a few biohacks away. Try these steps today, and enjoy your post-wax glow all season long.